Hello everybody, we're here today to check out the Brave browser and why you should download it, give it a shot. Referral link will be down at the bottom of my page, guys. More information. Also at the end of this video, you guys have any questions, need any help, feel free to give me a holler. I'll try to help you out as much as I can. The first thing is, hey, you're not a product. That's cool, I like that. Basically, Brave browser is very private eccentric. They don't think that they need to track all your information. They don't track all your information. They don't track see what you're doing. They're not going to sell to a third party. It's open source, built by a team, privacy focused, performance and orientated pioneers of the web. It's cool if you look at their team. It's pretty sick. Browses up to 8 times faster than Chrome or Safari, which I think is actually pretty impressive. I was just checking out the video myself, to be honest, which is pretty sick, which makes sense if it doesn't have to download ads and watch. Just check this out. You can watch the video on the site yourself too, but I was like, it's pretty sick. Yeah. I'm like, hey, I'm like, yeah, it's pretty sick. It's pretty fast. Yeah. Ready, set, click. It's nuts. Right? I'm like, that's pretty good. Also, yeah, why pay for the data, these stupid ads? You know, if you're getting charged for data on your phone, you really want to pay these ads on unwanted data? No, I don't want to pay. I don't even want to see the ads in the first place. I don't pay for them and waste my time on them. Block unwanted content by default, and it keeps track. Now, this is sick. If I go to show you guys, I'm going to open up a new window just to show you. Check this out. It's blocked. 7,866 ads and trackers blocked. Upgraded. 1.1 hours estimated time saved. That's just my time saved. That's not including like the energy cost to play these ads and on-click these ads. And this is just my desktop. It's not even my phone. It's absolutely disgusting. This web browser works awesome. And then one of the big features, definitely big features, if you want to see ads, you'll be able to get rewarded for it. You'll actually get paid for it instead of the site. And you can also give your rewards to your favorite YouTubers like me. Yeah, right. I know. Come on now, shoot me some Batcoins. And if you're a content creator, you can set it up so people can tip you in Batcoins. So, yep. Brave blocks software that follows you around, so it's not tracking your data. And you can see that up here too. Well, we're on brave.com, so hey, look, nothing's being tracked. But if we go to another website, which I will after this, actually, we can just do that right now just to show you. So let's go hit YouTube. As soon as I hit YouTube, look how clean and crisp this page is. Now we go here, 12 items blocked already. Versus if I go hit Google Chrome, we'll load up. Let's go to YouTube. I have my ad blocker off. 1, 2. Oh, look, commercial. The other thing is, if I click on a video, let's see here. Let's go off the grid. Let's just check it out. Oh, look at this. Oh, I got an advertisement right out of the gate. Let's wait. 1, 2, 3. There's still more ads. Yeah, I could skip it. You can click that lovely skip ad button. Or come over here to Google Chrome. Or sorry, Google Chrome. Brave browser. And let's hit the solar thing. Oh, look, oh my god, look, no commercial. What? Wait, where's my commercial? I don't have a skip forward button. And you can watch the whole video with no commercials, guys, or ads. It's absolutely awesome. Just to give you a heads up, this browser is sick. Works great. Works really good on my phone, too, to be honest. So, on that aspect, blocking data, no ads, no commercials, unless you want them. If you do want them, you'll be able to get paid in the Bitcoin. So, also one other feature that I really like, it's kind of cool. I don't really use it, but I like the idea of just having it, is they have a new private window with Tor. And Tor is basically, it's anonymous. Your IP is not tracked. Nobody can see what you're doing on the Tor network. So if you want to go to YouTube, .com, we'll go check it out for kicks. It's kind of YouTube. We're on Tor. Load a little bit slower, but you're completely private. I say, maybe I want to search for some swimsuits. Yeah. Let's check out some ladies. See what we got going on. I don't want my old lady to know I'm looking on here. You know what I'm saying? No. But just to give you an example. If you want to surf privately, you don't want anybody to know what you're surfing for or what you're on or what you're doing. You can just click the Tor button, and boom, you're in here. And it blocked 8 ads on the Tor network too. 8 on this block, which is kind of cool. But you don't have to use the Tor thing. It's just one of those things. I just thought it was kind of cool. Let's go back to new tab. So it's going to keep me on the Tor. But if you want to get out of the Tor, just close it and reopen it. Boom, back out in the Brave browser. But I'm trying to get 200,000 downloads, guys, so I can be a millionaire from bat referrals, Brave browser referrals, and get some bat tokens. If you could pass this along, hook me up. And even if you don't want to use my referral link, please just do a search for Brave browser, download it, try it out, and if you don't love it, let me know, man. I can't believe it that anybody would dislike this browser. This browser is awesome, works great, super efficient, saves you time, saves you power, and money. Power costs is money, and time is money. So the bottom line, this will save you both, or it can even make you money. So if you guys have any problems or need any help, feel free to hit me up. Try to help you out the best I can. Thanks for taking the time to watch the video. Please give me a thumbs up. Have a good day.